The fundamental principles of precision machining for lathe machines. Part 1. The most important machine amongst all is a lathe machine from precision machining of components point of view. That's the reason it is termed as the machine tool when engineers or industrial people refer any type of machining of metal components. With regard to the precision components, it's truer than production ship. In last few decades, this universal machine tools has changed a lot. Especially after introduction of NC numerically controlled and then CNC computerized numerically controlled technology. It's sort of machining revolution. In the past also, lathe has been the most favorite machine tool because of the wide range and variety of machining operations that can performed on it. Skill turner, as they are used to be called, were and are in very much demand. Even in today's era of CNC machines, the machinist has to have fundamental knowledge of the principles of lathe. And if he is not having that knowledge, then the outcome is not of the required quality. What CNC technology adds is the consistent quality, speed and accuracy as compared to the manual machining. Proper cutting tools does play a crucial part while producing any component. In fact, only having the CNC machine is not enough to perform the precision tasks. Part 1 end here.